Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $16,794, 24-hour volume, we're up 7%, and market cap, we are down 0.01%. So heading over to our daily chart here, we can see this candlestick wick is heavy in the selling features of the candlestick coming down as low as 16,500. And again, found areas of support from our few candlesticks that we saw here on November 18th and November 19th, as well as earlier on December 17th and December 16th. As we can see here, there are these two nodes that are sticking out, and we are going to be using this area as an area of support. Now, one of the things here that we can see is that the price is still going to come up and retrace up to the 78% here. We can see a few factors in our daily chart is that the momentum itself is coming down in our MACD indicator, and this will show us loosely as the momentum is dissipating in the bearish market. As well, we can see that the RSI is coming up at 32%, so we can anticipate that the price and the RSI is going to come up so long as our MACD indicator does show us day after day the momentum is getting smaller by these bricks or these histograms, and most importantly, lightness in the color. If we do see a darker red color going into tomorrow, then it is going to go into the second wave, and the price itself may drop all the way down here again at 16,500 and retest that area of support. Heading over to our 4-hour time frame, we see this hammer candlestick at the very bottom here, which does signify a trend reversal and give us hints that the reversal or the downtrend was exhausted. As we can see so far in this 4-hour time frame, we are coming up to an area of resistance. So here it is with our 200 moving average, this red line here, and then our 20 moving average itself. If the price is going to continue to go up, we need to be supported by these candlesticks and have consecutive 4-hour candlesticks closing above our 20 MA. And in order to retest our resistance of the 23% at the 16,800, we will need to show a lot of candlesticks closing above the 200 mark. So that's roughly between 50 to 38% of our fib mark. Now, one of the things that may push the price a little higher is the two factors that we have here is the RSI and our MACD indicator. So notice that the RSI here, our K line, and our D line, which is this pink line, is colliding together. If we see the K line cross above the D line, the K line itself, and we see these two lines come upwards, then essentially it is going to trigger that buying opportunity. And we do see some positive reinforcements here when it comes to our MACD indicator, because we see the MACD line and our signal line, which is this orange line, colliding once again. So these two factors, if we see this MACD indicator generating dark green histograms, we are going to go into our phase one of a bullish market in a 4-hour time frame and essentially come up to retest the 16,800. But let's kind of take a look into our 2-hour time frame. So our 2-hour time frame, our MACD indicator does show weakness in this histogram, but not as much comparison as this here. If we were to see shorter and smaller bars itself, then we would be able to get more of a hint, more of a reinforcement again that the price is going to close above the 20 and the 50 MA. We can see already the candlestick body itself coming up to retest these areas, but until we're actually able to confirm the candlesticks closing above, then the retest of the 16,800 is more reliable, is going to be more foreseeable in the future itself. But if we do see some areas of support, just in case we do get rejected from these two MAs, then we are most likely going to see support closer to 50%, which is the $16,600 range. So that's kind of my targets here for Bitcoin going into today. We are going to observe on a daily time frame to take a look at how tomorrow or today's close does look like, because this essentially does look to me as a hammer candlestick, which again is a bearish candlestick, and we may see price come down for Bitcoin itself. But definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.